Hey guys, welcome back to my channel IT Man. Today I'm going to show you how you can use control and page down and page up key on your keyboard to move between worksheets in Excel. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss the update. Without wasting time, let's start video. There are 3 sheets here, 1, 2, 3. And now press Ctrl, page down. As you can see, I can move to sheet 2, again page down. And if I press page up, I jump to the sheet 2. Again, page up, page down, page down, page up, page up. With this trick, you can move between worksheets in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this simple trick. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you very much.